How to buy build on BNB token. So this token came under the symbol of Bob. Now before it starts, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral codes. Simply use goes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. To be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Just copy the token address from here. This token address is under the BNB Smart Chain. Now open your wallet, we will do for that the BTK wallet. Go and create and click on wallets. Click on BNB chain here as a network. Click on this plus icon, paste the token address here. As you can see, this is our token. It will be up here. Now click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet to find your token that you just added that's called Bob. So after you find it, as you can see, click on it. Now here, click on swap, switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy it with, for example, USDT, and make sure that you have enough USDT on your wallet. So after that, type how much you want to buy. In a while, you will be able to see here how much you receive. So this is it. Now after that, click on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy Bob token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.